Hello and welcome, and thank you for coming to today's webinar.
So to start off with today, I wanted to share with you some tips about mobile SEO, why you should maybe be considering mobile SEO for your site, and just some other information about mobile, what you should be considering today when you're thinking about mobile and marketing. So why do you want to think about mobile SEO now? Well, this slide, I actually just got this particular graphic today. It's that hot off the presses. And what this shows is mobile traffic as a percent of global internet traffic, not just the U.S., over the past few months and years. And what you'll see is that right now we're seeing about 15% of global internet traffic is from mobile devices. You want to think also about the user experience. What is the searcher's intent on your site? Because really, when you think about it, SEO is great. But if you're getting a lot of traffic from a mobile site and people get to your website that's mobily based, but they can't do anything or they don't have the right options and so forth, the problem will be that they'll just abandon. And isn't the whole reason we do SEO to get traffic to the site so they can do something, so they can convert in some way? I just got this chart today also, and I thought this was really interesting about device interaction and how people are buying with mobile optimized websites. And the three stats I think that are most important, or four stats here that I think are most important, is this first one: 78% of smartphone owners and 75% of tablet owners pay attention to the look and feel of a company's mobile website when deciding whether or not to make a purchase. 44% would never go back to websites that aren't optimized for mobile, and 52% would not return often. This was a shocking statistic to me. 85% of smartphone owners use their device for research prior to making a purchase.
So I'm going to take you through a few of the most popular methods for creating a mobile version of your website. The most common one, the one that's been around for the longest, is having a dedicated mobile version of your site. The most popular right now, it's the biggest buzzword over the last few years in web design, is responsive web design. The method that's used behind the scenes to achieve these responsive sites, they're called CSS media queries. And what it is your web designer or developer just goes into the style sheets that they use to design your site, and they're setting breakpoints they're calling based on screen sizes.